Let's see how we can post from our Google Business Profile. So to do that, at first we have to come to search bar and write down here Google My Business Profile. Then we should click here View Profile. Okay, then here we need to click on this post icon. Now select here Add Post. Now we can see in the description box, we just need to simply write down our details here. Okay, if we want, you can schedule post from here. Okay, now second thing, we need to click here, select images and videos. Then we should select the image. Okay, then we need to click here button icon, then select here any CTA button what you want. So let's say I'm selecting here book. Then we just need to give our website URL here. Then click here post. Now here you can see post is in pending status. After a few minutes, then it will get approved.